Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Lenovo Legion Go and what I use, SSD uh, docking station that I use, and that you can save your files onto it. Here it is. The WD Black one is the one that I use. You can put all your games on it, any of your Steam games, or anything and you just plug it directly into the Legion Go USB-C port. Yeah. So there's the USB port that you put it in to plug it into the Legion Go. You can also plug in like a keyboard or mouse into it, or you can put one of those. You can put a wireless keyboard dongle on it. Yeah, I'm just really excited to show how this Gewokliy. I think it's. I don't know how to say that. Gewokliy. And then you can just put your USB cable right there, which is pretty cool. Then you can put it right there. Then you can just put the thing on top of it and put it like in your book bag or store it somewhere if you're not using it. It does have HDMI, so if you did need to play put it up on a TV or a monitor, you can put it on your monitor, your TV. It also has an SD card slot, USB 3.0, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So that's how you'd plug it in. You'd plug it in right there, and then you just plug it into your Legion Go. Pretty cool little device right there. So then I'd put it in the Legion Go. Then that's my wireless keyboard dongle by Logitech. The keyboard that I'm using the, I'll put it up on the screen. But yeah, I'm just gonna plug it in right there. If I can figure out how to plug it in the right way. Yeah, I can't figure out how to plug it in the right way. But yeah, that's how you plug it in. And then I can plug it in the Legion Go right there. It's not plugged in anymore. There's the Backbone 1 controller that I have that I can put my iPhone on. It's a pretty cool thing, and you can play all your retro games on it and your like PSP games. Yeah, and then there's my 2 terabyte docking station that can hold a SSD drive in there. I'm gonna be playing Chrono Trigger on the SNES on my 2DS. I really like this game. It's one of my favorite games to play. Yeah, I just really like this game. A really good game right here. One of my favorite games right here. But I do like how it plays on the 2DS right here. On the SNES 9X emulator. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little retro gaming handheld device that you can play games on. But yeah, I'm on this part of the game, and it's a pretty cool game. It runs at 60 FPS on the 2DS, which is pretty cool. Be playing some Asphalt 8. It does run pretty good. It's like going between like 58 and 60 frames. So I mean, it's running pretty good. But yeah, this game runs pretty good on the Legion Go. I'm up on like, I don't know, 20 uh 20 TDP right now, and it's running pretty good. 20 TDP, and I installed the new AMD graphics drivers and CPU drivers. But the new AMD drivers are pretty good. But it does really do good on this game with 60 frames per second. I could probably get higher frame rate, but if I change some of the settings, but it does run pretty good. Even though I'm running off the road right here, but yeah, this is a really good game to test out your different games. It isn't that resource intensive, but it is a fun game to play. But yeah, it is going between like 60 frames per second, 58 to 60 frames per second. I think it's doing pretty good. And yeah, this game's really fun to play on the Legion Go. But I'm using like an external controller. That's why I'm not. You guys aren't seeing my hands up there playing on the screen. But yeah, I'm not playing. I'm playing with my like Xbox One controller. Not my Xbox One. My Xbox wireless controller. But I do have it wired up for this demonstration right here. Okay, I'm just going to show you some of the games, I guess. We got all these PSP games on here. Maybe I need to try Need for Speed Most Wanted. That'll be a cool game to play. Uh, yeah, but we got all the PSP games on here. And now I'm just wondering what I'm going to say next. Uh, we got Legos of the Caribbean right there. Okay, let's get back into it. So yeah, guys, I really just need to plug in my USB dongle real quick and get it running. So I can use my wireless keyboard, my Logitech wireless keyboard. So I'm just going to plug it in right here. I don't know if I'm going to be plugging it in, but plug it in right there, I guess. Whoop, that's not the way to plug it in. Plug it in the other way. Nope, that's not the way to plug it in. Yo. Yep, there we go. Okay, now we're just going to want to plug it into our Legion Go. Okay, this is like how you check the battery health on your Legion Go. You type this command in command prompt, and it'll save it. Then you get like your whole battery report. You'll get your design capacity and full charge capacity. Normally, your full charge capacity is going to be a little bit higher than your design capacity. Yeah, and it'll show you a lot more information about your battery health and battery usage, depending on how much you use it and if you use it uh, while on charge or you use it off of the charger. So yeah, if you want to check your battery health, this is what you can do to check and see how your battery life is doing. And yeah, I'm in Steam OS. I'm in Steam Big Picture mode. I mean, and we're getting like it's not telling us really how many hours of charge, but I did plug it in. So it's saying like your Steam Deck battery's full. Yeah, and I'm just in Big Picture mode right now. We allow the battery to slowly discharge. Yep. They got like FPS high contrast on here. Game controllers settings and stuff. But it isn't telling me. Okay, now we're going to be playing Slaughterhouse. I really like this game. One of my favorite games to play on the SNES. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you guys me playing this game. Because I talked about it in my last video. And I never got a chance to show you guys this game. But it is really cool. A really fun game to play on the SNES. But yeah, I do really like this game. Really fun game that you get to run around and fight these monsters and stuff. You got your little hockey mask on, which is cool. Yeah, and I really recommend playing this game. I'm not very good at it, but I really do like this game. You go into different rooms, fight more enemies, and there's like boss fights and stuff. But yeah, this game really is really fun. I'd recommend you to play it if you like these type of games. But yeah, I'm just playing this on my RG35XX by Anbernick. Anbernick. I don't know how to say that, Anbernick. But yeah, I really do like this little Anbernick console. It's a really fun console to play. Or your like Game Boy games you can play, SNES. All the way up to like PS1. Really fun console right here. I just wanted to show you guys this game because I did talk about it in one of my other videos. But yeah, it's a really fun game where you get to throw the monsters around and stuff. But yeah, definitely a fun game to play if you like these type of games.